Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the cigarette lighter fuse is located on this 2013 Ford Escape. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So we are going to come over here to the passenger side. Your owner's manual will have these listed as to what number it is, but we're looking for F61, which will be the fourth up from the bottom on the driver's side of the vehicle. So that'll be this 20 amp fuse right here. So this 20 amp fuse right here is for your cigarette lighter. I will have fuses down below where you can get them online. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.